Auzubillahimnashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. I'm your teacher, Ma'am Huma, and I'm taking English subject. This is Show and Tell, lecture number 22. Everyone, please raise your hand for dua. Dua for learning. Rabbi Zidni Ilma. Let's revise Islamiyat. Question and answer. Question number 1 is name of Islamic months. As we all know that Islamic months are 12. Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul Sani, Jamadiul Awwal, Jamadiul Sani, Rajab, Shaban, Ramzan, Shawwal, Zikr, and Zilhaj. Question number 2. Which is the first month of the Islamic calendar? Answer is first month of the Islamic calendar is Muharram. Question number 3. In which month our dear Prophet Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born? Answer is our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born in 12 Rabiul Awwal. Question number 4. In which months we celebrate Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha? Answer is we celebrate Eid al-Fitr in the month of Shawwal and Eid al-Adha in the month of Zilhaj. What we need for today's lesson: student book, activity book, and pencil, eraser, and sharpener. Children, please open student book page number 26. Explore with me. Objective of the lesson is to talk about meals.
131. Listen and follow. Listen and repeat. 1,
I have cereal and milk for breakfast.
2,
I have a sandwich and fruit for lunch.
3,
We have pasta, salad, and bread for dinner.
4,
We have fruit for dessert.
2, student book page number 26. Explore with me. Now, on the top of the page, write date 24 August. 24th August. AUGUST August, comma 2020. Then write capital H dot T. Now write Monday. 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 On this page, there are 4 pictures given. In each picture, there are some kids and their parents. And where are they? Can you tell me? Are they at home or at school? Yes, you are right. And what they are eating? Look at picture number 1. What this girl is eating in breakfast with milk? Yes, you are right. She is taking cereal with milk. Look at picture number 2. What that girl is eating? Yes, you are right. She is eating sandwiches in lunchtime. Now picture number 3. There are kids are sitting with their father and they are eating salad, pasta, and that is their dinner time. Look at picture number 4. What mom is giving to her kids? Yes, she is giving fruits as a dessert. Okay, now let's read the lines which are given under each picture. Look at picture number 1. I have. I have. 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 I have cereal. 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 And milk. For breakfast. Breakfast. I have cereal and milk for breakfast. Now picture number 2. What that girl saying? I have a sandwich and fruit for lunch. Now picture number 3. We have pasta. WEVHAVE have PASTA pasta, comma salad SALAD salad, comma and we have pasta, salad and bread. BREAD bread. For DINNER dinner. We have pasta, salad and bread for dinner. Now look at picture number 4. Practice at home. Now children, please open activity book page number 22 and write date 24th August, 2020. Then write capital H dot capital T and then write spelling of Monday MONDAY. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to read, write and draw. Look at the top of the page. What's written there? Think with me. Okay. Now you have to complete the sentence about what they have for dinner. using one of the words in the box, then you have to draw what you have to eat for dinner. There are different pictures are given with their names. Like look at the picture number 1, sandwiches, SANDWICHES, sandwiches. Then salad, SALAD, salad. Rice, RICE, rice. Meat, MEAT, meat. Fruit, FRUIT, fruit. Bread, BREAD, bread. Fish, FISH, fish. Vegetables, VEGETABLES, vegetables. Now look at the sentence which you have to complete. I have dash and dash for dinner. Okay, now you have to fill these blank spaces. Whatever you want to eat, like if you want to eat rice and vegetables, then you have to write I have rice and vegetables for dinner. If you want to eat fish with bread, you can write I have fish and bread for dinner. And look at the picture, there is an empty plate with a fork and knife. You have to draw your favorite food here. Whatever you are going to write on the blank space, you have to draw the picture of that food. Now let's revise lesson vocabulary words. Look at the first word, that is breakfast. BREAKFAST, breakfast. Then lunch, LUNCH, lunch. Dinner, DINNER, dinner. Dessert, DESSERT, dessert. Cereal, CEREAL, cereal. Salad, SALAD, salad. Bread, BREAD, bread. Rice, RICE, rice. Fish, FISH, fish. Now children, I hope you like this lesson and you learned many things. You have to revise all the vocabulary words at home and try to do work neatly in good writing. Inshallah, next week we will meet again with a new topic, new lesson. Till then, take care of yourself and stay at home. Allah Hafiz.